When was this truck parked and why was it parked?
The clutch was going out on it, so I couldn't drive it anymore. I actually had to back it in here because that was the only gear I could get it into. Probably around 2007 is when I parked it.
And what's your plans for the truck in the future?
Hopefully I'm gonna get it back on the road. That's why I got rid of the Econoline. That's why I'm getting rid of the Torino. I want to be able to sink the money from both of those vehicles and put it into this and bring it back to life.
Clean it all up, everything, so that you could see the car and see, you know, what's the next step to getting this truck back on the road.